Okay, we got, oh, cutie. Love at the Fantasy Resort. Is that my honey? Okay. So
Why you don't take the video for your family?
that's what I'm doing right now, honey.
You take video?
Yeah. I was just taking a picture while I was taking a video.
Oh.
And I already took them a tour of the room and sent everybody. Didn't you get the Facebook message? I did.
Do you? I did not check.
I'm glad she paid attention. Little bike. Yeah, this little cottage style room. Oh, is that the swimming pool? Where did my honey go?
Have to use mask.
You always make fun of me for using my mask around your school. Everyone's like, honey, why are you wearing a mask?
Swimming pool. Each place is swimming pool.
Oh, this is a little stage. That's cool. Do they have like performers?
Oh, have to pay money for swimming too. But the place that live here is free. But you have to take you have to use a swimming suit.
That's cute. The indoor pool with a cute little covered pool.
Yep.
Oh, and the shower's there.
Why I didn't see Spider-Man?
Here, let's look over here.
Where? Oh, why have to go there? ไม่ไปหรอกที่รัก Honey,
Why?
why you go there?
We wanted to see the other side of the resort. What? Honey, come explore with me. Honey.
I wanna go to restroom. Okay?
Okay. Thought we were walking around. I don't know. Oh. I don't know what's the matter with. But why? It's like it used to be a pool, but now it's just a fountain. Mm.